Hey Broseph, Chuck here, back with another unlisted video. So real quick, this is just a short follow-up on the defective power inverter. And I just noticed that there's serial numbers on the back of these. So I'll take a photo and I'll include that in this email. So right now I've got them both plugged in. You can see both have the green status LEDs on. And I want to thank you for sending an additional adapter. This right here is the first adapter you sent me, and this one came with the second inverter, and it's a different design. And I thought it was going to be a difference in these two little plungers, but it really doesn't make a difference. So right now let me show you this power inverter works. So this is the good one. And I'm going to turn this on, and then I'll plug it in, and we can see that it's starting to charge with the red status light. And if I plug it in to the bad charger, nothing happens. So what I think is happening is the insides of these adapters right here, it looks like the bad one has some type of connectivity issue on the inside of here, or even the little nipple down there. I'm not sure what it is, but either way I think this thing is bad. So with your permission, since you don't want me to send this back, I'd like to chop this off, cut it off, and try to repair it with a different thing. I'll pick one up at Walmart or whatever. And then I also want to thank you for sending this CLA output to plug into the hardwire connector, because I did I've done several runtime tests. I'm using this Viofo A129 Pro, and I ran the camera in normal recording mode, and I plugged it into this USB socket, and then I did the same test by using this adapter with this socket, and I found that the dash cam output gave 2 extra hours of runtime versus the USB. So I just thought that was interesting. Okay, thanks again. Stay tuned for more testing. Bye-bye.